I'm here in the factory with you today at the FS Curtis headquarters in St. Louis, Missouri, and I wanted to share with you a few things on the FS Curtis SEG Series 5 to 15 horsepower Rotary Screw Air Compressor. The SEG is a rotary screw air compressor. This technology offers significant advantages over traditional reciprocating technology. One, they are much quieter due to the design of the rotary screw air end. Two, they offer significantly cleaner air quality due to lower moisture and lower oil carryover. And three, they provide 100% continuous duty air that lasts much longer from a life cycle standpoint than reciprocating technologies. The SEG is available in 5, 7.5, 10, and 15 horsepower. It's available base plate mounted, which means it's this part of the package here, as well as tank mounted, which is what is here next to me, on a base plate sitting on a tank. It's also available as an Ultra Pack configuration. The Ultra Pack configuration includes an air treatment system that includes a general purpose filter as well as a refrigerated air dryer sized to the rotary screw air compressor. After quickly removing the cabinet access panels on the SEG series, we see a few easily identifiable things. First off, access to consumable and maintenance parts is easy, and this ensures that the SEG series is properly maintained. Second, we have easy visibility to the standard design features which make the SEG stand apart from other compressors in this range. E-Cool technology has to do with the efficient airflow of cooling air through the cabinet of the SEG, which leads to improved compressor life. DBA Shield ensures ultra-quiet performance through design enhancements, such as heavy-duty cabinet foam on all cabinet panels. The standard AIMS controller offers significant advantages over competitive pneumatically controlled machines. The AIMS controller is a text-based controller which includes easy-to-use maintenance indicators, timed shutdown to protect the motor, and sequencing capabilities of up to 8 compressors. And when the SEG series is purchased with the optional Ultra Pack configuration, you will receive the unit on an 80-gallon tank standard with a refrigerated air dryer as well as a general purpose filter to ensure that you have clean, dry air. The Ultra Pack option offers many benefits, including the clean, dry air we've already mentioned, as well as the small footprint, easy installation, reduced shipping costs due to everything you need for your compressor installation being included on one unit. And best of all, the SEG series is covered by the best warranty in the industry. A 5-year extended warranty is available for this product simply by using authorized FS Curtis parts and lubricants. No other commitments. And just like all other FS Curtis products, the SEG series is proudly assembled here in St. Louis, Missouri in the heartland, where we've been building quality products since 1854.